Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. I'm Milton Jacobo. Today we got a new puzzle box called The Gift. I'll be showing you the gift. But before we start, you probably noticed that I switched locations. That is because I recently got a new house, so this is probably where I'm gonna record most of my videos now. And yeah, so you're not wondering about that. And now, if you watched my last video, Santa's Workshop, go check it out. We got Santa. Now, he's missing a more intense beard, and he's missing his hat, of course, so I bet we have to probably get those in the next couple boxes. It's probably around 10-ish. I did not make this box, but I did have input on some of the mechanisms. Yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay, let's jump right into it. So, first we got our tool here. And let's look around for some holes. So we got a hole here, 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 a hole here. We have a knob. And that looks about it. I was told before that this is not to be removed and that this is decor, so we can take this off. Let's just set that over there. Okay. Let's start with this. So we can twist it. It was really far. Okay, that's as far as that goes. Showing a bit of resistance here at the end, but okay, got that. We have some clear bricks here, so that might mean that they need to come out. This wall's kind of loose, but we can't pull it out. That's about it for those kind of things. So let's use our tool here. We can do that. Wait, that blocked off this hole, so it's gonna go through here. Nope, that's blocked. Okay. Push this in. Okay, something dropped. We go in here. Something went in. This is still blocked. Is it gravity? Yup. Gravity. Normally, if you see something like this, not this obvious normally, but something that sort of has this, and you kind of hear kind of a constant clicking sound when you hear it, it normally means that it's gravity fed. Okay, let's push this. Gravity fed, maybe? No? I think that's the pin. But okay, we'll leave that for now. I guess we have to work with this. So this is transparent. If we push anything, move out of the way. And these push in. Okay, maybe this dial. Let's just turn it. cracking open. Okay, so now we can insert our tool. And we can push it. Okay. So, coming up. Our wall can now open up like that. It feels like we have a little drawer here. Can't come out because this, and we can't push this in. That's it. There we go. Can we pull it out? Now we can. Okay, we got a little box here. Is there a way to open it? There's nothing else inside. Oh, we have a beard for our amazing Santa Claus, so let's put him on it. There we go. We got a nice, almost complete Santa, but we are missing the hat. It's a really good puzzle. I had like nothing to do with it. I didn't help overly, so that part I liked, that I didn't help with most of it. I did see the interior and stuff while it was being designed, but I did not build this box. It was completely my dad. My dad built this box. It's got some cool mechanisms in it. The sliding wall with this and how this turns this is really cool. Yeah, let's see if we can reset it. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. That is the gift. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. It helps out a lot, and it helps me to continue making more content like this. And while you're down there, hit the like button too. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a very, very, very Merry Christmas. And see you in the next video.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinking.